Hello, Body Fangs. Welcome to the push. Guys, as a lot of you might know, is Crazy Very is known for finding the weirdest bloody poof morsels that you can find in the bushes here. Mushrooms, yeah. Big ones, small ones, some that look very strange, some that make you look very strange. So let's go have a look. Can you see that? That is what we call the pen regop styf puntius poof morselius. Yeah. A little bit weird, it's quite stiff. It reminds me of that time that I took a handful of those blue tablets over there. It was the hardest week of my life. Toe kyk die dinge daarop. It's furry. You see how beautiful it are. It is all so smooth. It's just a babatjie se boude. And when it gets older, it turns soos 'n uittoppie. Jotte, can you see how bloody beautiful it are? Ja, kyk hoe mooi oranje is it. It looks like a Vrystaat wortel. That is what we call the Orannius Vrystaatius wortolius. Now here's one of the bloody weirdest one. Can you look at this? Can you see the brown goodness over there? Ja. That is what we call the starfish mushroom. Poof morsel, yeah. It's exactly what it says. It looks like a ballonknopie. Chocolate sterretjie vis. Because that brown stuff in the middle is like poof. The flies come sit in it and it squeezes and eats there and unfrak hulle because it's like poisonous. Nou kykie, soos julle gedink het, natuur het nie 'n sense of humor nie, don't be mistaken. Hulle slaat uit hierso met hierdie luminous kleure. Dis amper soos 'n jong dametjie wat te veel botox in die bo-lippies het. Kyk net hierso. Kyk net hoe mooi rond en geel is hulle. Daai lyk bietjie eienaardig. Maar dit is wat ons noem ouma se vetkoek. Jotte, what a bloody magnificent find. Yeah, it's a little bit moist. Is it word again? It voel amper soos jou girlfriend van hoërskool se linkerboutjie. Ja, but don't eat it. Okay, jy gaan spuitpoep kry vir 'n week plus wat. Okay, thanks.